What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV, and we back with another video. As you can see the title, you already know what it is. Yeah, the Air Jordan 1s, mids, what they call it, barely whatever, but it's like a pink, black, white boxing right here. You know, every new fancy mid now got this glossy white box, regular, nothing too crazy. But I just want to do a quick review for this, and let's get right into it. I don't want to take up too much time. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, because as soon as we hit 1K subs over here, we're doing absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you've been rocking with me, then like this video, comment. You guys know I respond to all my comments. So, yeah. And yes, I'm wearing the hoodie again because you guys know I'm insecure about my hair. I hate having ponytails in my hair. I just love my braids. That's all I care about. But besides that, the braids is coming back very soon, so don't worry about it. Yeah. All you guys have to do else, I don't even know if that sounds right. But anyways, hit the link in the description and go follow me on Instagram. And go check out my main channel as well. So, let's get right into it. Okay, so off rip, this is a Jordan 1 mid women's. Seems like they're dropping women's only these days. But damn, look at all the Nike stuff they have here. I didn't even realize that. Got like Jumpman, Jordan 23, Nike, just do it. All this sayings right here. But either way, this is a 9 women's. I don't know if it comes out 9 on the camera. That correlates to a guy's, what, 7.5? Yeah. Either way, like I already showed you the box, typical, regular, glossy, white. Boom. Now, I hit this on the Nike app, so, yeah. All I know is this is worth some money, because this is a nice, pretty pink shoe. Wow, that smells like the Nike factory. Hold on. Let me catch my breath. But it has like, it's not even white shoelaces. It looks white, but I don't know if you guys could tell. It's like I don't know, it does look like a cement type of shoelace. It doesn't look white. Like, it looks like dirty white, but it's not white. But it's not dirty, obviously, it's brand new. First of all, these are actually cute. I have another pair on its way. I wasn't gonna say anything, but it doesn't matter. It's just, I don't have it yet. It didn't come in the mail, but this pair came today, and already this size 9 already sold. So obviously that's why I'm doing the video now. But yeah, these right here, let me make a thumbnail real quick. Either way, this is nice and cute. Ladies, if you could tell, I don't know, because the light might be too strong, but it's like, it's not peach color, it's literally pink and white. Let's put that close. Pink and white. That's the outside of it. That's the inside of it. Got the white Jumpman, the back. That's how it looks from here. Like I said, I don't know if you could tell on camera how the shoelaces is not like typical white. It's like a creamy white, whatever. But that's how the bottom looks. It's, I don't even know. I can't even tell. Is it pink or white bottom? Oh, it's definitely a pink bottom. You could tell the reflection. But yeah, it's definitely pink because it has the same, from this angle you can see, it has the same bottom as the shoe. But yeah, these are actually cute for girls or guys, whatever you prefer if you like these. But typical Jumpman logo on the tongue, black. There's really not much to say else about this, but this is a clean, calm shoe. They call it the Barely. Is it Barely or something? I forgot when I search it up. But either way, I'll have the title so you'll know what it is, because I'll be forgetting. But yeah, typical black Jumpman logo. It's literally a pink and white shoe. I just realized that. It's literally pink and white. If you take away that black check mark, it's literally pink and white. So this is a calm shoe. You guys know I'll be having mad mids and lows on my channel. So this is just going to join the collection of videos I have. So if you made it to this point in the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you don't subscribe, go follow me on Instagram. Hand-in-hand support. I'm giving you guys content, so ladies, if you're watching this, follow me on Instagram. And fellas, if you're watching this and you don't want to follow me on Instagram because you think that's weird, just hit the subscribe button and we'll be sure to get you guys some content that I could provide that you guys would like and continue watching. So that's all I gotta say about this. Comment below. What do you think about these? Are these cute? Are these nice? Ladies, obviously, if it's cute, guys, just let me know if you mess with this colorway for a personal, because, you know, guys can wear pink too. It's not that deep pink. It's like a bright pink for summertime, springtime. So you guys let me know what you think about these. Remember, this is a Jordan 1 mid. So, yeah. Maybe I'm getting the names confused. I don't know why I'm thinking about Barely or something. I don't know. But either way, you'll know in the title, like I said. So let me know in the comments, did you cop these when it came out on the Nike app? Did you get your pair for a personal or did you not? Either way, let me know if you copped. And if you even knew about these. If you didn't know about them, let me know in the comments. And I'll be sure to get you guys some information of when you could look out for shoes like this. They probably will be hitting stores as well, so try to look at your local stores or ask them. But yeah, they're right here in the flesh. I got 2 pairs. This pair is gone. I gotta sell the other one, so I don't want to sit on any of these. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like them? Did you even know they existed? Let me know all that stuff, because you know I respond to all my comments. And that's it. I'll see you guys on the next video. And your boy Lil Roy is out. See you on the flip side.